Hey everybody, Jake and Dylan here, and super excited to be here today. We're closing on our 243 unit deal in Louisville, Kentucky, and this was a tough one. It was one of those ones that we had to fight for every dollar. We got some money back on some repairs, but we did the right thing and we fought the good fight. And this is the deal that really emulates everything that we've done because it's the blue collar workforce housing. It's in a good neighborhood, and they have washer dryer hookups. What we love. So we look for these consistent type of things. We like central heat and air for our blue collar workforce housing folks. We like the basements on these because they offer washer dryer hookup in every unit. So it checked a lot of boxes, and it's right next to UPS Worldport and right next to Ford. So it has our tenant base. It has all the amenities that they're looking for. Brick, newer roofs, great landscape, and we're just super excited to finally have this one done.
Super pumped about this. Like Jake said, we've been hard at work here. It's usually a 60-day closing, right? So we're closing now. It's pretty much day 60 since we've had it under contract. We were out there on site. We spent 3 days on site walking every single unit. It's a large property, so you have 243 units. Then you're going out and following up and going through all the paperwork. We're verifying everything that our inspector came up with. And overall, it's been a long ride to get to this point, but we're super excited about the deal. It should be a phenomenal deal for us, for the investors. So couldn't be more pumped to get it done.
So we got a 12-year. We got a 12-year term. We got a 30-year AM, non-recourse, Fannie Mae deal. 6 years IO.
6 years IO.
Woo!
It's going to be cash flowing. Really heavy from day one.
Really heavy from day one. We got ample reserves in place. And we're just so excited because we outperformed on our last Kentucky deal, and I think this one has the opportunity to even outperform that deal from a cash on cash.
Yeah, this is a really cool deal because from day one we're seeing solid over total deal double-digit cash on cash returns out the gates. So it's the whole idea of buying for cash flow today with forcing appreciation for tomorrow, right? We're holding strict to our parameters. We're demanding strong cash flow today, but at the same time we see a $70 rent premium from getting the average rent from $750 up to $820. So it's a very secure play with cash flow coming in, super high debt coverage ratio. With the interest only, you're practically at a 2.0 debt coverage ratio, which is almost unheard of. Plus you have the additional the upside in the rents. So between both of those factors, you have the built-in security, built-in cash flow, but you also have the ability to really create some true appreciation and upside on the back end.
I got a question for you.
What's the question?
Who's buying 7 caps right now at 250 units that's stable like this?
Really not many, right? Not to mention the fact we're in a solid market. We have over 50,000 employees between 2-3 major employers right there. Like Jake mentioned, we don't really stray from our criteria. We're always looking for the employers, number one, right? It's these little sub-markets, not just the markets, but also the sub-markets, and having really strong, diverse, blue-collar, industrial, and some healthcare jobs right in local proximity within 2-3 miles.
Yeah, so I just couldn't be happier about this because we're very aggressive when it comes to our buying parameters, and that makes it challenging to buy deals of this scale. So the fact that it checks so many boxes for us and it's as big as it is great because we also open it up for more of our investors to take advantage of this opportunity. So really pleased with it, and happy to be closing another one out.
On to the next one.